You've probably heard the whispers, people making hundreds of thousands of dollars on YouTube, all without ever showing their face.
You're goddamn right.
It's not magic, it's a clever system that goes way beyond just ad money. But with new rules emerging in mid-2025, many are wondering, is this YouTube automation gold rush about to end? Or, with YouTube's own AI now actually boosting smaller channels, is this the biggest opportunity you've been waiting for? We're diving deep into that question right now.
Okay, we're good to go!
Making money, the real story, and what's not true. The honest truth about this YouTube automation is that you can make a lot of money, even if you don't put in much cash or time at the start. But here's the catch. You have to know what you're doing. If not, you'll just waste your money and effort. We're talking about smart ways to automate, not just throwing random videos onto the site. Lately, everyone's been talking about YouTube's new rules that started on July 15th, 2025.
Yes.
They basically want to get better at finding videos that are made super fast, or are just the same thing over and over. Now listen, YouTube has always wanted original and real content. You can't just take videos that already exist, even your own, and upload them again to try and get more views or ad money. That's always been against the rules. These new updates aren't brand new bans. They're just getting better at spotting content that isn't original, especially with all the new AI tools out there. Speaking of AI, yes, it makes making videos much faster. But real, proper YouTube automation isn't about filling the site with low-quality, unoriginal videos. The main idea is still to make unique and real content, even if AI helps you create it. Don't believe the hype.
Okay.
Clearing up AI and money myths. Some online experts have been really worried about these rule changes, saying you'll lose your ability to make money if you use AI to create videos. Honestly, most of that talk is just not true. These days, using AI to help make things is totally normal and often needed to get stuff done quickly. The main rule is still about not reusing content that's already out there. And let's be honest, some of these scary stories might just be sneaky ways for people to get you to buy their really expensive courses.
Damn!
While learning is great, especially if you're new to YouTube, you need to tell the difference between helpful advice and someone just trying to sell you something. Many successful YouTubers, like the person whose story we're sharing, learned a lot from good lessons. But not all programs are created equal. It's just plain wrong to tell new creators that using AI will cause problems with making money, or that it's too late to start a YouTube channel.
Oh my gosh, yes.
From feeling burned out to easy automation, getting good at YouTube automation often means learning as you go, with some tough times and changing your plans. Take this person's story. They first tried YouTube in 2021 with their own channel, but they ended up totally exhausted. Trying to manage a full-time job, another small business, family, and home stuff was too much, so they took a break from making videos. When they came back to YouTube, they tried what they thought was YouTube automation, but it was really just hiring a lot of people to do the work. Managing a team of video editors, script writers, and voice actors, even with an assistant, took a ton of time and cost a lot. Always telling people what to do, checking their work, giving feedback, and rechecking everything felt just like the exhaustion that made them stop YouTube in the first place. AI changed everything, so much easier now. After another short break, they tried YouTube again in 2025, and wow, AI made a huge difference. The same ways of doing things that worked before were still good, but with one massive change. They didn't need to hire so many people anymore. Before, making one video could cost about $100 and take a whole week for writing, voice, and editing back and forth. Now with AI, one person can do the whole thing in less than an hour, and it costs under $3 per video. This huge drop in time and money is what real YouTube automation is all about. You still need to work hard and be dedicated, but the tough parts are much, much lighter. It's completely different from just a few years ago. How to succeed, avoid pitfalls, and get your head straight. Before we talk about the tools and steps, let's look at two common problems for new YouTubers.
Yes, definitely.
Getting burned out and expecting too much too fast. The word automation can trick you. It doesn't mean it's a one-click solution. While AI does a lot of tasks that used to need people, like making scripts, voiceovers, and putting the first video together, your human touch is still super important. You still need to do some editing afterward and add your own ideas to make sure your videos are unique, real, and authentic. This stops them from looking like generic, mass-produced stuff. Even for channels where you don't show your face, a human creator's ideas and effort are behind the content. When it comes to making money, worries about losing monetization or having trouble joining the YouTube Partner Program aren't new. Some video topics naturally have a higher risk for these issues. So it's a really good idea to focus on niches, topics that pay well, high CPM, and have a clear history of making money successfully. There are guides out there to help creators find these profitable and less problematic niches. How to make videos, tools and steps. Making automated YouTube content can be broken down into a few main steps. We'll give you both paid and free options for each.
It's free real estate.
Making the script, your video's blueprint. The first step is writing what your video will say. A super smart way to do this is to not start from scratch. Look at successful videos made by others on similar topics. These videos are great starting points for your script. You're not trying to be a personal expert, you're just trying to share information well and create video topics that people already want to watch. If you come up with a totally new video idea that isn't already on YouTube, it could be a gold mine, or more likely, it means no one is looking for that kind of content yet. Once you find a competitor video's link, different AI tools can help you write your script. Paid tool, video2blog.ai. This tool is made to turn YouTube videos into blog posts, but you can totally use it for scripts. You just put in a YouTube video link, and the tool can make endless blog posts from it, which you can then use as your script.
Yeah, boy.
The price changes based on how many videos you process each month, like 10, 30, or 100. When you use video2blog.ai for scripts, these settings are key. Script length. To fit those ads that pop up in the middle of videos, which mean more money, scripts should usually be at least 1,200 to 1,300 words long, with about 1,500 words being a safe bet. Point of view. Pick third person so the information sounds objective, not just like someone talking directly. Custom instructions. You can type in specific things to tell the AI how to write and what content to include. Other settings. You can generally ignore options for pictures, links, and SEO keyword stuffing for scripts to make sure the text sounds natural. Once your settings are ready, the script is made in seconds. You can download it as a text file or Word document, or just copy and paste it. The site also lets you save settings you use a lot as templates, which saves time later. Free alternatives. ChatGPT or Gemini. These powerful AI language tools can also make scripts for you. Transcription. Start by giving it the video link and asking for a written version. You might need to ask a few times depending on how the AI responds. Script generation. Once you have the written text, tell the AI to create a unique YouTube script in simple, friendly language based on that information. Then, you might need to tweak the prompts, but you'll get a unique script. I have plenty of prompts in my free community. If the AI makes it too complicated or adds scene descriptions, just tell it you want plain text that's good for a voiceover. This freeway might need a bit more adjusting, but you can definitely get unique scripts. Making the voiceover, bringing words to life scripts done? Next up is getting the voice for it! Paid tool, 11 Labs. 11 Labs is highly praised for its super realistic, human-sounding AI voices. Seriously, they often sound just like real people talking, so you won't get comments about a robot voice.
Affirmative.
Voice selection. You can look through a huge library of voices, filter by how they sound, gender, and age, and save the ones you like best. Generation. In the studio, you paste your script, pick a saved voice, and the voiceover is made in seconds. Pricing. There's a free version with basic voices, but to get the really good voices and voice cloning features, it usually starts from $5 a month, with custom voice cloning beginning at $11 a month. Free alternative. CapCut. CapCut has a free AI voiceover feature. Process. You can put in your script, pick from the voices it has, and make the audio. The preview lets you listen to different voices before you make your final choice. Adjustments. You can change the voice speed and how high or low the pitch is. Limitations. For scripts longer than 10,000 characters, you might need to do it in parts to get all the audio. But still, it's totally free and works. Editing the video. Adding the pictures. Once the script and voiceover are ready, the last step is to edit the video.
This is exactly what I've been waiting for.
Paid tool. Pictory. Pictory is popular because it's fast and easy to make videos from text. Automated scene generation. You paste your script, and Pictory automatically creates scenes using its huge library of stock videos and images. You can also add background music, and some regular 11 Labs voices are available right inside the tool. Pricing. Pictory subscriptions start from $12 a month. How it works. Choose the text-to-video tool. Paste your script. Make sure options like new scenes for each sentence line, highlighting keywords, and choosing visuals are on. Pick the 16:9 size for regular YouTube videos. Click Generate Video. Pictory will break your script into pieces and find matching visuals. While the AI often does a good job, it's a good idea to look through everything manually to add your human touch and make sure it's unique. After checking the scenes, pick background music from the Audio tab. Then upload the voiceover you already made, or use Pictory's built-in voices if they work. You can get a 20% lifetime discount with my link in the description.
Shut up and take my money.
Once you're happy, download the video. For a free option, you can use CapCut for video editing. You would first edit your video clips and then add the voiceover. After you make the video, get noticed and keep growing. Once your video is done, you're not finished. Smart steps after creating the video and having a strong mindset are key to getting your videos seen and making sure your channel grows for a long time. Just pressing publish isn't enough. Here are some really important steps. Scheduling. Plan your video to come out when your audience is most active on YouTube. This can be very different depending on your topic and who you're trying to reach.
Interesting.
Title and description. Write catchy titles and descriptions that include words people search for. These are super important for YouTube's search, SEO, helping your videos show up when people look for things. Think about what words your potential viewers would type into the search bar. Tags and keywords. Use relevant tags and keywords to help YouTube's system understand your video better. Thumbnails that make people click. High CTR. This is probably the most important thing for getting views at first. No matter how well you made your video, if its thumbnail doesn't grab attention and make people want to click, it won't get views. How your video looks on the outside is everything. There are many resources, including online groups, that offer templates and tips for making thumbnails that stop people from scrolling past. Your mindset. It's super important. Beyond the technical stuff, being successful with YouTube automation really depends on how you think. If you treat YouTube like a serious business, which it totally is, it can become a great source of easy, ongoing money.
Money, this, money, that.
Always relevant versus trending content. Always relevant content. These are videos on topics that stay important over time, like how-to guides or basic information. They can keep making money for years because people keep searching for them on YouTube, which works like a search engine. While they might make less money each month, their steady income makes them super valuable. Trending content. Videos about what's popular right now can make a lot of money quickly, but they usually only stay popular for a short time, so you'd have to keep making new trending videos to keep the money coming in. The best plan often involves a mix of both types of content, depending on your main goals and how much time you want to spend making videos. Next level stuff. Advanced tips and growing more. To really do great with YouTube automation, think about these extra tips and deeper insights. Deep dive into your topic and understand your audience.
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
Super specific topics. While high-paying topics are good, try to get even more specific within those. The more focused your content, the easier it can be to show up high in search results for certain keywords and build a super interested audience who wants to know about that exact thing. For example, instead of just finance, think beginner crypto investing or retirement plans for young adults. Know your perfect viewer. Get a really detailed idea of who your ideal viewer is. What are their ages, interests, problems, and goals? Making your content, language, and even visual style fit this perfect viewer will greatly increase how much they engage with your videos and how long they watch. Make your content better and get more engagement. Refine your script. Even with AI-made scripts, always read them over and make changes for flow, natural language, and a bit of personality. Add little stories, ask questions, or put in some subtle humor when it fits to make the script more interesting. Remember, the goal is to give value in a fun way. Visual storytelling. Pictory and similar tools offer ready-made video clips, but think about how you can make your visuals more exciting. Can you add custom graphics, animated text, or unique transitions that fit your channel's style, even if you don't show your face? The visuals are just as important as the sound. Tell people what to do, call to action. Clearly tell your viewers what you want them to do next.
Let's do this.
This could be subscribing, liking the video, leaving a comment, visiting a link in the description, or watching another one of your videos. Put these calls to action in smart places throughout your video, not just at the end. Make money in more ways. While YouTube ads are a start, real profit from YouTube automation often comes from having different ways to make money. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services related to your topic and earn a small payment when someone buys through your unique links. This can make a lot of money for channels that teach or review things. Digital products. Create and sell your own digital items like ebooks, courses, templates, or planners that are related to your channel's content. This gives you higher profit margins. Sponsorships. As your channel grows, brands might ask you to feature their products. This usually means making a video or mentioning a product for a fee. Merchandise. For channels with a strong community or unique brand, selling merchandise, like t-shirts, can be another way to make money. Be consistent and check your numbers.
A lot of boring math later.
Consistent upload schedule. YouTube's system likes channels that upload regularly. Whether it's once a week or 3 times a month, stick to a schedule your audience can expect. Use YouTube Analytics. Look closely at the numbers in your YouTube studio. Understand who your audience is, how long they watch, where your views come from, and which videos do best. Use this information to plan future videos, making sure you're making what your audience wants and how they find your videos. This constant checkup is key to always getting better. Talk to your community. Even with channels where you don't show your face, talk to your audience in the comments section. Answer questions, say thanks for feedback, and help build a friendly group. This builds loyalty and can give you great ideas for future content. YouTube automation, when you do it smartly and have realistic expectations, is still a powerful way to make good money. Yes! It's not a magic answer, but it's a business plan that rewards hard work, smart use of tools, and a deep understanding of YouTube and your audience. Pro tip, the most crucial part, create a very high CTR click-through rate thumbnail. No matter how great your video is, if the thumbnail doesn't stop the scroll, your video won't get views. The packaging matters most. We have thumbnail templates in my free community too. Finally, a harsh truth about YouTube automation: your mindset matters. You need to treat YouTube as a serious business asset because it can become a passive income stream. We have evergreen channels from years ago that still generate income from search traffic. While trending topics offer high earnings instantly, they eventually die down, requiring new content. Evergreen content earns less per month but can last for years. It's about balancing your goals.
Perfectly balanced, as all things should be.
All of this, including mindset, is covered in my free community. Let me know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like me to cover in a future video. Remember, YouTube automation can be very profitable. If you don't know what you're doing, it can be a waste of time. But if you set your mind right, put in the work and effort, and stay consistent, you will succeed. I hope to see you in the community. We'll speak soon. Please like and subscribe.